Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to join lines. So you can go to start to the sketch and I will choose the top lines. As example, we can draw line in here. I will create again at this point and the next in here. Now if you want to join lines, we can use the coincident constraint tools. So you can select the constraint, click on endpoints, and then click endpoints in another line. So to be automatically joined. I will click again from this point into here, and the last I will connect from the endpoint here into this line endpoint. So that's it for basic Autodesk Inventor 2027 how to join lines.